Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were invited to the Philippine Army Gym through our non-profit called Well Balanced World. We first provided a health talk about the benefits of chiropractic care, and then we demonstrated the power of the chiropractic adjustment. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications.
Tipid ka po sa tissue. Isang ganito ko lang din. Oh, diba?
This way, please.
Dagang gigilis ko.
Sa binti ka palang nakadangkal niyan.
Nagpagdusok ng pantalon ko isa.
Isang nagkal.
Saan ang huli? Ako.
Nice.
Pwede ilipat sa iba.
Sir, turuan mo kami, sir, para kami mag-demo sa iba.
Ito nga sa English.
Ayun na. Okay. Hi.
Sa lahat ng maganda sa katawan.
Ano pong name?
Sergeant Benicio and Sergeant.
Thank you.
Enjoyed this video, click on the like button and leave a comment below. We post weekly chiropractic videos. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. There are more videos on our visit to the Philippine Army Gym. To continue watching another video, the one above here is the one I chose, and the one down here is what YouTube chose for you. See you soon. Take care and be well.